In our previous video, cluster topics, numbers, lesson 1, takakupai homework. This video is a provision of the solutions to the different questions which were constituting the homework. Saka our course reader, New General Mathematics 1, homework yedu takaitora from exercise 1b. So let us start with question number 2. Question number 2 iri kuti during a dry season, it did not rain for 128 days. How many weeks and days is this? Saka solution yedu zvatichaita tichatanga taemphasize yatakati conversion chain. Takati magadziriro atinoita conversion chain ndekuti tinotora maquantities atinounderstanda. For example, tinoziva isusu kuti in a week and in 1 week we do have 7 days. And toti how about in 2 weeks? Mu 2 weeks tine 14 days. Tobvunza question yekuti tawana sei 14. Saka from 1 week being 7 days nemhaka yetati 2 weeks i 14 days. Taregere kuti 2 weeks i 15 days kana kuti 2 weeks i 10 days. Zvataita kuna 2 kunoku ndezvekuti tamultiply na 7. Saka 2 times 7 ndo yatipa 14 days. Zvazviri kureva ndezvekuti kana tichibva kuma weeks tichienda kuma days, kana tichiconverta from weeks to days, we multiply by 7. Kureva kuti the number of weeks which we have, for example, tine 2 weeks, toda converta 2 weeks into days, tichati 2 times 7. How about toda converta back, kureva kuti we now need to convert from days to weeks. Tinoita sei? Tikatarisa this number 14, we know that 14 days is equivalent to 2 weeks. But what do we do to 14? Kuti tiite arrive at 2 weeks. We divide by 7. Kureva kuti when we are converting from days to weeks, this conversion from days to weeks, we are going to convert whatever number of days we have by 7. This is what we call a conversion chain. Inotibatsira kuti tisaita mistakes pakuconverta. If we go back to our question iri kuti during a dry season it did not rain for 128 days. How many weeks and days is this? Kureva kuti here we need to convert from days to weeks. And kana tichiconverta from days to weeks, we realize on our conversion chain that we are going to be dividing by 7. So how do we do it? When writing our answer, tichati converting 128 days into weeks and days. Saka panapa tichati 128 divided by 7. Sezvaka indicatwa pa conversion chain, kuti converting from days to weeks is a division by 7. So takuita division yedu tichati 7 into 7, it's 1. 7 into 12, it's also 1. Remainder what? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's remainder 5. So that is 7 into 58. So we know that 7 times 6 is 42. Then 7 times 7 is 49. Then 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. 7 times 8 into 56. Kureva kuti 7 into 58 chapinda 8 times. And a remainder of what? Of 2. Since 8 times 7 is 56, so we now have a remainder of 2. Saka after having calculated this, and I want you to take note of tanyora remainder panapa, because the remainder is going to be showing us the days. Saka when we are writing our final answer, tichati, therefore, 128 days is equal to 18 weeks 2 days. Then we can underline our answer. This is the solution to number 2. Let us go over to question number 3. This is our question number 3. Iri kuti add the following. So we have weeks and days per A. Zvatofanirwa kuziva beforehand ndezvekuti 1 week is equal to 7 days. And kana makaita attend to our lesson number 1, we clarified kuti when we are converting from days to weeks, or when we are dealing with days and weeks, this numbering system, kind of the system of counting, is a base 7 system. That's important to know. So per A, we are adding 4 weeks 4 days plus 1 week 2 days. So at 4 plus 2, 5, 6, we get 6 days. And the 6th chamnyora panapa because are less than 7. Then tikati 4 plus 1, we get 5. Kureva kuti our answer per A, it's 5 weeks 6 days. That will be it. Let us go over to B. B manje, we are adding 1 week 5 days with 2 weeks 6 days. Tika add ama days edu 5 plus 6, we are going to get 11. 11 tumunyora panapa because 11 are greater than 7. Kureva kuti ma days edu ari kutotipa a case where we are having more than 1 week. Saka ma weeks tofanirwa kuzomaisa kwawo ega nema days kwawo ega. That is the reason why 11 tanyora panapa. Then tika add ama weeks edu 1 plus 2, we are going to get 11. 1 plus 2, we are going to get 3. Saka now we need to find out how many weeks and days do we have in 11 days. To find this out, tichati isusu 11 days divided by 7. 11 days divided by 7. We need to find out how many weeks do we have in 11 days. In other words, toda convert from days to weeks, and our conversion chain tells us that converting back from days to weeks is a division by 7. Saka 11 divided by 7. 7 into 7 is 1. 7 into 11 is 1. Remember what? 8, 9, 10, 11. Remember 4. Zvazviri kureva ndezvekuti panapa tine 4 days. And then this 1 week yatawana bata divided 11 by 7 tichaenda kunoku. Kureva kuti kunoku ngeya plus 1. Saka panapa we have 4. Our answer is 4 weeks 4 days. So this is how we do kana tine a case where we are having days which are more than 7. To convert those days into weeks, then the component of weeks tichaeda under the weeks column, then the remainder after our division which are the number of days. Let us go to C. Tiripa C, we are adding 1 week 4 days plus 1 week 4 days. Tika add ku column ema days, tichati 4 plus 4, we are going to have 8, which is greater than 7. Satoenyora panapa. Then ku column ema weeks, tikati 2, tikati 1 plus 1, tichawana 2. 2 toenyora panapa. Saka chaita the same operation. We are going to divide 8 divided by 7 as we are trying to find out how many weeks we have in 8 days. And this is as clear as they come because 7 into 71, 7 into 81, remainder 1. Kureva kuti under column yedu yema days, we are going to have 1. Then the component yema weeks kunoku, tichati 2 plus 1, we are going to have 3. Our final answer is going to be 3 weeks and 1 day. Then finally, weke part D. Part D, we are going to be adding 3 weeks 1 day added to 2 weeks 6 days. Saka if we add 1 plus 6, we are going to get 7. 7 chanyora panapa because it is exactly a week. Then under column ema weeks tikati 3 plus 2, we are going to get 5. 5 tenyora panapa. Saka ku column ema days tikuona kuti we have a week ratinofanirwa kutransfer richiuya kunoko. Finally our answer is going to be 6 weeks 0 days. And kana kuti if you want to do the operation yatanga tichiita kuti kuma days edu kana akadarika 7 kana kuti ari equal to 7, tinodivide that number of days by 7. Kureva kuti panapa tachaza kuti 7 into 7 1, 7 into 7 1, remainder what? Remainder 0. So ndo 0 yatanyora kuma days, then 1 inoi tazoiedda, then 1 inoi tazoiedda ku 5 weeks dzatawana after adding 3 weeks plus 2 weeks. That is why our final answer is 6 weeks 0 days. The next question on our homework was 4D. And the 4D yanga sheet, you're supposed today is Thursday. What day of the week will it be after the 100 days? Such as the same operation, we need to find out how many weeks and days are there in 100 days. And to do that, we are going to divide 100 days by 7. Saka, as part of our solution, tichati isusu 100 days divided by 7. Tobva tati 7 into 7 1, 7 into 10 1, with a remainder of 8 9 10 3. 7 into 30, 7 14 21 28, it's 4. Remainder 2, because 30 minus 28 it's 2. Kureva kuti 100 days dziri equal to 14 weeks and 2 days. So what this means is tatanga taita 4D because to dot 4D inform a 4C. So we are going to do question 4C after we have done question 4D. Saka in 100 days we have 14 weeks and 2 days. What it means is, therefore the day is Saturday. Why tiri kuti the day is Saturday? If today is Thursday, then after 100 days, after 100 days the day is going to be Saturday. Zvaitika ndezvekuti we should appreciate this fact, we should know this fact, kuti kubva paThursday and kunobata umwe Thursday pane exactly 7 days, kureva kuti pane a week. Saka from a day to the concurrently next same day, kubva paMonday kuenda paMonday, Tuesday to Tuesday, pane exactly a week. Saka in 100 days 14 times tachidzokera paThursday. Kubva Thursday yanhasi kuenda kunext week Thursday pane 7 days. Then we did the same process for 14 weeks. Then after 14 weeks pazoita a remainder of 2 days. That's why it has got Friday, Saturday. So that is how we calculate this. Having done so, let us now go to question 4C. Question 4C rikuti suppose today is Thursday, what day of the week will it be after 70 days? Saka doing the same process, tichati 70 divided by 7. We are doing this because tinoda kucalculate how many weeks and days we have in 70 days. And the reason why we are dividing with 7 is owed to our conversion chain. Conversion chain yedu inoti kana tichibva kuma weeks tichienda kuma days we multiply by 7, asi kana tichibva kuma days tichidzokera kuma weeks we divide by 7. So since tiri kubva kuma days tichida kutsvaga how many weeks and days are in those particular days, we are going to divide with 7. So back to our question, 7 into 7 it's 1, 7 into 7 it's 1, 7 into 0 that's 0. wrote panapa it's equal to 10 weeks, 0 days. Saka for 10 weeks, Thursday is going to be recurring. Therefore, the day is Thursday. That will be our answer. Let us now go over 5b. Question 5b, rule out the number of seconds in the following time. 10 minutes 54 seconds. Find the number of seconds in the following time. B. 10 minutes 54 seconds. How are we going to do that? We should know our conversion chain, and here we need to convert from minutes to seconds. Saka tichibva kuma minutes tichienda kuma seconds, how do we build the conversion chain? To build the conversion chain, we use what we already know. Tinoziva isusu kuti we do have 2 minutes ziri equal to 120 seconds. 2 minutes is equal to 120 seconds. Our question becomes, what have we done to the number 2 in order for us to arrive at 120? So in order for us to arrive at 120, zvataita we multiplied by 60. Because kana tichioperate nema minutes and seconds, we are under the base 60 counting system. Saka panapa, minutes to seconds, we multiply by 60, and of course there is reverse operation from seconds to minutes is a division by 60. Having known this, we can now attempt our question. Our answer to be, which is 10 minutes 54 seconds, it's going to be equal to Chichati converting minutes to seconds. Multiply by 60, so it's 10 times 60. Then we add the 54 seconds. Saka 10 times 60 is 600 plus 54. Whatever our final answer is going to be 654 seconds. This is going to be our answer to question 5b. We can now go to question 6c. Saka panapa, question 6c, so let's find the number of minutes in the following 2 hours 34 minutes. Sanga titangene conversion chain yedu kubva kuma hours tichienda kuma minutes, knowing that we have 60 minutes in 1 hour. It means we multiply by 60 panapa, and the reverse operation is dividing by 60. So to answer our question panapa, we are going to say 2 hours 34 minutes is equal to, converting from hours to minutes is multiplying by 60, so it's 2 times 60 plus 34. Then 2 times 60 is 120 plus 34. And if we add 120 plus 34, tichaita 451 minutes. This is going to be our final answer. Let us go to question 7c. On question number 7c, find the number of hours in the following 3 days, 11 hours. Our conversion chain, converting from days to hours. Knowing that we have 24 hours in a day, because the relationship between days and hours is under the base 24 numbering system or counting system. So converting from days to hours, we are going to be multiplying by 24. And converting back from hours to days, we are going to be dividing by 24. This is our conversion chain. So to answer our question now, 3 days 11 hours is going to be equal to, since converting from days to hours is multiplying by 24, then we add 11. So this is going to be equal to 3 times 24. Saka pakadai togona hedu kuenda graph paper kwedu. Tonoti isusu 24 times 3. Toti 3 times 4, 4, 8, 12. 1 panapa. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Kureva kuti is 72 panapa. Toti plus 11. So this is going to be 3 panapa, then 8. So it's 83. So it's 83 hours. That is going to be our answer. Let us go to question 8C. Question 8C iri kuti add the following. Saka tinema hours, tinema minutes. Ngati add kucolumn yema minutes. Tichati 9 plus 2 tichawana 11. So it's 1 panapa. Carry 1. Towatati 4, 5, 6. So it's 61. So we have 61 minutes. Then kucolumn yema hours 2 plus 1 is going to be 3. And but isusu tinoziva kuti in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. Tikatarisa column yedu yema minutes tirikuona kwakadarika 60. Kureva kuti we have to find out how many hours and minutes do we have in 61 minutes. Saka to do this using information here, our conversion chain, of course, tinenge takuti 61 minutes divided by 60. Because ndozvataita patanyora conversion chain yedu tichiti kana tichibva hours tichienda minutes tinomultiply na 60, asi kana takubva minutes tichienda hours tichadivide na 60. So toda kuziva how many hours in 61 minutes, saka that's why tadivide na 60. 60 into 60 is 1, 60 into 61 is 1, remainder 1. Kureva iko kuti minutes pedu tichava na 1. Then this 1 hour tichanoiadda under the column of hours. So it becomes 3 plus 1 to give us 4. Kureva kuti our answer is 4 hours 1 minute. Saka pa 8F tofunga kuadda 3 days 15 hours 40 minutes plus 2 days 8 hours 40 minutes. Saka zvachaita panapa manje, it's the same operation basically. Chatanga taadda ku column yema minutes 40 plus 40 tichawana 80. 80 yacho toinyora pasi panapa. Nekuti tirikutozviziva kuti 80 yatokurisa kudarika 60 minutes dzatinotarisira kana tichidhila nema hours nema minutes handi. Then toadda futi panapa 8 plus 5 9 10 11 12 13. Saka pana 3 and then 1 plus 1 over 2. Kureva kuti 15 plus 8 is 23. Then kuma days kwedu changoti 3 plus 2 tichawana 5. Tikatarisa tichaona kuti tichada kuziva kuti mu 80 minutes mune ma hours mangani. And macalculations atamaita kakanyanya zvekuti I think zvofange zvatova second nature kuona kuti mu 80 minutes tingori ne 1 hour chete. Kureva kuti panapa ndo parinoadda 100. Then remainder yedu inenge iri 20. Saka panapa remainder is 20. Kureva kuti pana tana 20 minutes. Then tina 20 minutes kudaro. Tikaenda kuma hours kwedu tikati 23 plus 1 tichawana 24. Tinoziva isusu kuti 24 hours ndiro 1 day. Kureva kuti 24 hours is totodziconverta to 1 day tonoadda kuno. Kureva kuti pama days tana 6. Then kuma hours tichasara tina 0. Saka our answer is going to be 6 days, no hours, 0 hours and 20 minutes. So this was a special question. Mfangwa revise because it can be very tricky. Let us now go to our last question, which is 9D. Panapa manje pa 9D parikunzi do the following subtraction. We are going to be subtracting 3 hours 24 minutes 8 seconds minus 1 hour 50 minutes 28 seconds. Saka 8 seconds minus 28 it can't. Remember, started mathematical numbers streamer form 1. Saka we are going to borrow a minute from olemema minutes. Kureva kuti tichabvisa minute panapa. Pana 24. Achasara ari 20 ari 23. Sapanapa achasara paina 23 minutes. Minute ratakumbira rachitoenda naroko. Panapa yachi ya 68. Because 60 seconds plus 8 seconds is 68. Saka taborowa a minute from 24 tasara na 23. Minute racho tikariconverta into seconds rikava 60 seconds. Tikanoedha ku 8 seconds dziri ku seconds dzanga dziri ku seconds column kurotana 68 subtracting 28. Then panapa zvakuwekeka because tikati isusu 8 minus 8 is 0 and then 26 minus 2 ndi 4. And the 40 seconds dziri less than 60 seconds which make a minute kureva kuti ku seconds column tatova right. Then manje panapa takuti 23 minutes minus 50 minutes. It can't again. So we are going to borrow an hour from our section. Kurati panapa tana 2. Then borrow an hour to convert into minutes to eda kuno. Saka tiri kuti 60 minutes plus 23 minutes, of which is going to be 6, 7, 8, 83. So takuti 83 minus 50. 3 minus 0 is 3. Then 8 minus 5, then 6, 7, 8, the 3 again. Saka kuma minutes kwakanaka nekuti maminutes edu 33 ari pasi pa 60 kureva kuti hapana maconversions anoda kuitwa. Then 2 minus 1 kuma hours kwedu it's going to be 1. Kureva kuti final answer yedu panapa i 1 hour 33 minutes and 40 seconds. This concludes our exercise or our homework. Stay tuned for the next lesson. With this, I thank you.